Dozens of kids have been forced to quarantine after they were exposed to COVID-19 during face-to-face learning at school.
Caitlin Ross talked to one frustrated family, urging the district to update policies to keep this from becoming a continuing problem throughout the year.
Before the first bell rang on Emma Kaiser's first day of 11th grade at Forsyth Central High School, she was exposed to COVID-19. Her family says they know it's not the school's fault she was exposed to the virus, but they don't think she should be punished for it either.
Day one in her first period class.
Lindsay Kaiser says her daughter never had the chance to get back to school.
She was devastated. She was so upset.
A volleyball player and student, Kaiser says her daughter couldn't wait to get back to school.
We made a choice as a family to send her back face to face, and of course we knew the consequences, but we did not think that the protocols would be based on word of mouth.
Kaiser says when she talked to the school, they told her students don't have to prove they tested positive for the virus. They just tell the administration they have it. The school then quarantines the other students who were around them.
And they take out the kid in every single class that was in front, right side, left side, and behind her. And that is 4 kids per 8 periods.
Parents in other school districts reported similar protocols. Heather says her 4th grader has been out of in-person learning all week. And Keeley says this will be an endless cycle of quarantine as the pandemic drags on. But Kaiser says her family thought most students were being safe, even though they aren't required to wear masks in Forsyth.
She said that everybody was wearing their masks. She was so impressed.
Forsyth County Schools reported 11 new cases of COVID-19 in their district this week. They are not publishing the total number of students and staff quarantined.
And she's not going back on the 31st.
She's talking to her daughter's principal today, but says it feels safer for her to learn virtually and play volleyball in person, so her season isn't ruined by continually having to quarantine.
Caitlin, what does the family want to see changed in terms of policy at Forsyth?
They want proof of a positive test if a student has COVID-19, and then proof of a negative test before the student can return. Right now, the district doesn't require either, but they are asking families to be more responsible. More on that coming up at 6.